They say aliens built them. Others claim it was ancient magic. But the truth? It's even more unbelievable. Because humans did it, and they left clues. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands over 450 feet tall. It's made from more than 2.3 million stone blocks. Some weigh as much as 80 tons. That's the weight of 11 elephants per block. Built over 4,500 years ago, without wheels, without steel, without machines. No, it wasn't slaves. That myth? Busted. Recent discoveries show they were skilled workers. They lived in nearby villages, were fed daily, given shelter, even honored in death, paid in beer and bread, and proud of what they built. So how did they move all that stone? One word: physics. They dragged giant blocks on wooden sleds and poured water onto the sand ahead of them, reducing friction, making the sand firmer. It worked. And it's even been proven by science. Simple. Genius. But lifting them into place. Now that's the real mystery. Some believe they used a straight ramp. Others imagine a spiral one around the pyramid. And some say, we still haven't found the real answer. What we do know is, it worked. Thousands of years later, the pyramids still stand, perfectly aligned with the stars. Their angles, precise to the decimal, built not by aliens, but by people just like us, driven by vision and unity, and a desire to leave something behind. History isn't boring, it's epic. Subscribe for more stories that break myths and bring the past to life.